Hello students, we have already learned about the chapter My Pet Dog, and today we are going to write the workbook part and textbook part. So all of you open your textbook, page number 21. Page number 21. Okay, opened. Now see, learn with poem. Okay, A. Take the correct option. 1. What do they say to the people they meet? So here we learned the poem that Jake, the dog, and the poet went for a walk, right? And on the way they met many people. What do they say? Option 1, sorry. Option 2, hi. Option 3, hello. So, what do they say? Yes, they say hello, right? Give tick mark to hello. 2. Who does never come late? 1. Option Romy. Option 2, postman. And option 3, Jake. Who does never come late? Yes, you are right, postman. So, give tick to option 2. 3. Which pieces of information is not mentioned in the poem? Option 1. Where Jake and his owner are walking. Option 2. The first name of the postman. Option 3. The first name of Jake's owner. What is the correct answer? It is not mentioned in the poem. What is that? Yes, the first name of Jake's owner. Right? So, give tick mark to option 3. And question answers we have written in the notebook. And C. Circle the correct answer for the following. 1. What is the name of the dog mentioned in the poem? Here see, what is the name of the poem? Name of the dog mentioned in the poem? See, Tom, Jake, then Bob. What will be the answer? Yes, Jake, right? So circle it. Good. Now, who is Mike? Who is Mike? See, is he the baker or the postman or the policeman? Yes, Mike is the baker, right? So circle the Mike is a baker. So we have to circle the baker. Okay. Now turn the next page. Which word probably describes Mike? Which word probably describes Mike? See option. Helpful, young, kind. So Mike is helpful or kind or young? Yes, he is a kind man. So circle it. 4. Which word probably describes Bill? See options. Sharing, scared, hard worker. Bill is a hard worker, right? So circle it. Now, we know about a noun and we have already learned what is a noun, right? So, nouns can be of 2 genders. Genders means what? Either male or female. Okay, genders. So, nouns can be of 2 genders. How many genders? 2. One is male and the other is female. Okay. And for male gender, we call as masculine. What? Masculine. And for female gender, we call feminine. We call it as feminine. Okay. And see here the example. Father Father. Father and mother. So the gender form of father is mother, right? So genders male and female, right? See, male and female. So for male we use masculine, and for female is what? Feminine. Okay. See one more example. See, this is king and feminine is queen, or male female is queen. Okay, male king and female queen. Okay, now match the masculine gender with the feminine gender. Okay, column A and column B. Here in the column A we can see the masculine genders, and here the feminine gender. Okay, we have to match. See, boy, girl, right? So match boy, girl, prince, princess, then tiger, tigress, ox, cow, gander, yes, gander, one remind, what? Goose, gander, goose. Okay, and complete the table. Here male, this column we have to write the male, means masculine, and here the female, female means feminine. Okay, see, uncle, and one example is given here for us. Uncle and, here in the male place or masculine gender place is it is blank. Here we have to write the male for a peahen. What is the male for peahen? Yes, you are right. The male for peahen is peacock. Do you see peacock, students? Write the spelling. P-E-O P-E-A-P-C-O-C-K, peacock. Peacock, okay? Peacock, peahen. Then the masculine horse given here, we have to write the feminine. Okay, horse, yes, mare, M-A-R-E, mare. Okay, mare is female and horse is male. Okay, now doe, say, yes, deer, what? Deer, D-E-E-R, deer, doe. Okay, and see, do you ever heard about compound word? Do you ever heard about compound word? No? Okay, then I will tell you. Two words joined together. Two words. How many words? Two words join together and form a new word. What word? New compound word. That is compound word. See here, example, rain plus coat. Rain is a word and coat another word. So two words. We can join these two words and form a new compound word, that is raincoat. Okay, like that. One more example, wheel plus chair. Wheel is a word and chair another word. So in order to make a new compound word, we have to join these two. Okay, so what we got? We get wheelchair. What? Wheel chair. Like that. Here we have to fill this. Form 4 compound words from the 8 words given below. Okay, so here 8 words are given. We have to form 4 compound words. How many? 4. See here, first one, star. Star is given here first. We have to see what word will be match for star and what we get for 2 words. See here, star, then Yes, fish. Starfish, right? So write down STAR, star plus fish. FISH. So star plus fish is equal to what? Starfish. Okay. STARFISH. Starfish. Then next one, see, match. So what will match for this? Match. Match box, right? So write down match, MATCH, match plus box is equal to what, ma? Match box. MATCHBOX. Match box. Okay. So match box. Okay. MATCHBOX. This is BOX. Match box. Next, see. See, paper, news. So we can write like this. Newspaper. Then we get a new word, right? Yes. Shall we write? Okay. NEWS. News plus paper. PAPER. Paper is equal to what? Newspaper. 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 Okay. Next. See. Peacock. Cock where? See here. These two completed. No? So next to remind, that is peacock. So shall we write? Okay. PEA plus COCK is equal to peacock. 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 Okay. See, peacock. We get a new compound word. So we can make compound word by adding two words. Okay. And see communication skills. Okay. See here. Who was with her pet dog? Who was with her pet dog? Yes, the poet, right? The poet was with her pet dog. Next, what is the name of the pet dog? Can you tell what is the name of the pet dog? Yes, the name of the pet dog is Jake, right? Where does the girl go for a walk with her pet dog? Yes, where does the girl go for a walk with her pet dog? Yes, down the, see in the first line of the poem, the poet went, who, where? Walk down the street. So the answer we got from here. The poet walked down the street with her pet dog, right? And see the next question. Does the girl like her pet dog? Yes, the girl liked her pet dog. Okay. So understand, this is oral. No need to write. Okay. The words below are scrambled words from the poem. Okay. Unscramble each word and speak it aloud. See here the clue given, a snack for a dog. What is the snack for a dog? Yes, you got it. Biscuits, right? So write the spelling of biscuit. Do you know the spelling of biscuit? Yes, right? BISCUIT, biscuit. So once more the spelling, BISCUIT, biscuit. Okay. Now turn the next page. clue given here is a snack for a dog. A snack for a dog. So, can you tell? Yes, we have already written biscuit, right? Next clue. Place in pants or a jacket for holding things. So, a place in a jacket or a pants for holding things. What is that? The clue given here, see? What we get from here? Yes, pocket, right? P-O-C-K-E-T. So, write down. P-O-C-K-E-T, pocket. Okay? Next. Part of a fence that opens so people can walk through. So, part of a fence and the people can walk through it. What is that? Yes, the clue, see here, gate, right? So, write the spelling of gate. G-A-T-E, gate. Okay? And next, young people. Young people, what we call? Yes, we call young people as children, right? So write down C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children. Next, person who makes bread, cakes, muffins and biscuits. What is? Yes, baker. So write down B-A-K-E-R, baker. Okay? And see here, find the following words correctly in the crossed to complete it. See here, we have to write the words crossed, puzzle. And the answers we can select from here. First one, see K. Where? K letter word. Yes, here. King. Write down all capital letters. K-I-N-G. King. Okay. And next one. Next one what? Yes, see here. H. Yes. Here houses, right? H-O-U. Yes. E. Yes. Houses. Okay. And the next one. See here. Houses. Next. F. Starting with the F. Yes, here it is. F. Farms, right? F-A-R-M-S. Farms, right? And next here, see. Another F. Fled. Right? F-L-O-O-D. Fled. Okay? Now we have to complete some more. What? Now see. Last letter D. Last letter D word. See. Last letter D. This, it is not suitable here. Yes, build. No? So write down B. You already written. I. L. D. Okay? Build. And next see. Here R. First letter R. First letter R. Yes. A river. Right? R-I-V-E-R. R-I-V-E-R. River. Okay. And next see. Here G first letter. G is Germans. G-E-R-M-A-N-S. Germans. Okay. And next what? Yes. Last letter L. Last letter L here. School. Write down. S C H O O L. School. Here all we completed. Now two words remained. What are they? Yes, here see. Last letter here I. No zero. Last letter O. O. Here. Alamu. Right? A. L. A. M. O. Alamu. Now second letter A. Second letter A. This all completed. Second letter A. One remained, that is park. Right? P. A. R. K. Park. Okay. And okay students, now open your workbook. Open your workbook all of you. And in the workbook we have to write the rhyming words. So for rhyming words we have to open the textbook and see the poem. From poem we have to write the rhyming words. Okay. When I explained the lesson, I have already mentioned about the rhyming words. Do you remember, students? Okay, I think, hope you all remember that. See the first one. Write the rhyming words for the following. See, street. Street. See in the textbook. Street. Meet. Street. Meet. Shall we write? Okay. Write down. M. E. E. T. Meet. Second one. Shop. Shop. Stop. Shop. Stop. Shall we write? Yes. Shop. Stop. S-T-O-P. Stop. Okay. Next. Cake. Cake rhyming word in the textbook. Yes. Cake. Jake. Cake. Jake. Okay. Write down. J, capital. Why? Because it is a name. J-A-K-E, Jake. Next, school. School, pool. School, pool. School, pool. Okay. See, school, pool. P-O-O-L, pool. Next. Truck. Truck. Luck. See? Truck. Luck. Truck. Luck. Luck spelling? L-U-C-K. Luck. Okay? And next one. What is the next question? Yes. Parks. Pass. Turn the next page of poem. Okay. Parks. Barks. Parks. Barks. Barks spelling what, students? B-A-R-K-S. Barks. Okay. And now we have to write the next exercise. What is that? Yes, write T for true and F for false statements. Okay. See here, students. The name of dog is Jake. The name of dog is Jake. Is this statement true? Yes, this statement is true. So we have to write T here. And see the next question. Mike is a teacher. Did Mike a teacher? No, Mike is not a teacher. What is the teacher name in the poem? Yes, McCain, right? So, this statement is not correct. So, we will give F. Okay. Romy is repairing truck. Do you remember who is repairing the truck? Who is this man? Yes, he is Romy, right? So, what is he doing here? He is repairing the truck. So, this statement is correct. So, we can give T here. True, right? Next, postman never comes late. Did the postman comes late? Yes, the postman never. See the postman? Every time he will be on time. He won't be late any time. So this statement is also the postman never comes late. This is true. So this statement is correct. So we can give T here. So that's all for today, students. Hope you all understand this, and you have to write this everything in your textbook and workbook and send to us in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Have a nice day, students.